Welcome everyone to another episode of Echoes of Eternity, where we delve into the lives and works of remarkable writers who have left an indelible mark on literature. I am your host, Bisma Salim. Today I want to share with you the profound impact that John Elia, the enigmatic poet, has had on my life. Born in 1931 in Uttar Pradesh, India, Elia migrated to Pakistan after the partition. His life was as tumultuous as his poetry, marked by existential angst, unrequited love, and a relentless pursuit of truth amidst the course of existence. What draws me most to Elias' poetry is its raw, unfiltered honesty. His words cut through the facade of societal norms, exposing the raw emotions that lie beneath. Take, for instance, this excerpt from his poem Yaad. कुछ और जिंदगी में कुछ और भी सीख लूं, कुछ और जिंदगी में कुछ और भी सीख लूं, मैं मरने के बाद भी जीऊंगा कितनी अजीम. Translation is, in life I should learn something more. After death, how gloriously shall I live? These lines encapsulate Elias' existential ponderings, his yearning for meaning in a world plagued by uncertainty. His poetry serves as a mirror to the human condition, reflecting our deepest fears and desires with unparalleled clarity. But it's not just his poetry that captivates me, it's also the life behind the work. Elias' journey was fraught with hardship and heartache, yet he remained steadfast in his pursuit of truth and beauty. Despite battling with depression and addiction, he continued to write with unparalleled passion, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire generations. In the end, perhaps that's what resonates with me the most, John Elias' unwavering commitment to his craft, his refusal to succumb to the darkness that threatened to consume him. His words continue to echo through the corridors of time, reminding us that even in our darkest moments, there is beauty to be found. As we bid farewell to another episode of Echoes of Eternity, I urge you to seek out of the works of John Elia and discover the magic for yourself. Until next time, this is Bisma Salim signing off.